Hi everyone, I'm Tatyana Arbouzova, CEO of Innovate QA, and Innovate QA 2026 is coming to Bellevue on June 4-5. I can't wait to see all of you there. But today I want to tell you about the mini workshop for job searchers that we're doing at the conference. And this is happening on day two of the conference at 1 p.m. So we have three sessions that make this workshop. The first session is by Goldie Chan about the personal branding for job searchers. She's an author. She wrote the book about the personal branding for introverts, and she's going to be opening up our job search workshop with her session. After her, we have George Andres, who is a second-time speaker at Innovate QA. He's going to be doing mock interviews with you guys, and this is a great way to practice your interviewing skills. And after that, at 3 p.m., after a short break, we're going to have Dana and Scott, who's going to be talking about how to write your resume and how to get hired in the age of AI. This will be a live resume review session. So altogether, there is three sessions on the afternoon of day two is a great opportunity for the job searchers to learn how to make your job search more efficient. I hope to see you all there.